1 sin e power x minus 1 by log x. Once you substitute sin 0 by log 1, 0 by 0, you can apply a L'Hospital, or what I suggest you is e power x minus 1 by log x. E power x minus 1, you assume it as y. X minus 1, e power 0, 1 minus 1, y approaches 0. So limit y tends to 0, limit x tends to 1. Here it's 1 into limit x tends to 1. E power x minus 1 minus 1 by log x. Here, if you apply a L'Hospital, e power x minus 1, 0 by log x, 1 by x. Here, e power 0, 1 into 1. So, its value is, first answer is 1. That is D. Second option, 5 power n you take common. 5 times 1 plus 3 by 5 power n. As n approaches infinity, which is 5 into 1, 5 is the answer. Third one, limit x tends to infinity. Here 2x plus 3 as y, x becomes y minus 3 by 2. So as x approaches infinity, y also approaches infinity. 2 times limit y tends to infinity. So infinity by infinity form. Y you take n plus t. T is a small number between 0 and 1. So limit n tends to infinity, box of n plus t by y is n plus t minus 3. N by n plus t minus 3. So it's n tends to infinity, same parts, their coefficients ratio, which is 1 is the answer. So 1 into 2. 3 maps to B. 1 maps to, think here, A. So 1 maps to D. 2 maps to A. 3 maps to B. That's all. 3 are given. So D, A, C. So this can't be the answer. First option. Sin H2 theta is 2 sin h theta is cos h theta, which is secant h theta. Basic hyperbolic identity 1 minus tan h square theta is, so which is 2 sin h theta by, where cos h theta into secant h square theta is 1 minus tan h square theta. Here 3 by 4 is 2x by 3 minus 3x square is 8x. 3x square minus 8x plus 3 0. X minus 9 plus 1 into x. X is minus 1 by 3 or 3. D by dx of d by dx of plus x which is 2x plus, which is a value 2, b value minus 1. And touch externally means C1, C2 is, C1 is first circle center, C2 is second circle center, u square plus f square minus c. So C1, C2 is 5, distance between these two. The value is 1. Area of the triangle formed by and Lx plus n square under root h square minus ab by where n value is minus 2. H2 h is 4, h is 2, ab is 1 by am square minus 2h is 4, ln is 1 plus bl square, that is 1 modulus 2 root 3 by 2 minus 4 minus 2. Here it is n square 4. Here in triangle ABC, values of changing. Once you take a triangle, BC are not changing. What changes means A changes. So keeping B fixed, C fixed. Once A changes, corresponding angle changes. So then we have a cosine rule. B square plus C square minus A square is 2BC cos A. As B and C are fixed, only changes in terms of side A and angle A minus sin A delta A. So what he is asking delta A, which is 2BC sin A delta A by A, by 2A get cancelled. We know that delta is half BC sin A. So sin A, BC sin A will be 2 delta, which is 2 delta delta A by. So second option is correct. So here the angle between curves is nothing but angle between the tangents drawn to it at the point of intersection. Differentiate here also 2 dy by dx is 2x. Y dash will be 4 by 2y. So y dash at which point 1 comma 2. Here it is dy by dx is, so m2 will be dy by dx at 1 comma 2. Here it is 1. So slopes are same. Angle between them is 0 degrees. Here it's a p of x equal to k is c times k plus 1 by 2 power k. Sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. C times 1 by 2 power 0, 2 by 2 power 1, and C into 3 by 2 square, so on, which is equal to C into 1 plus 1 by, here it is 2 times 1 by 2, 3 times 1 by 2 square, so on, which is 1. Here it is in AGP series. First terms are 1 to 3. Second terms half square, so on. These are in AP, these are in GP. Let this half be x, then we have C into 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, so on, which is 1. So this you can use even binomial expansion, 1 minus x whole power minus 2, which is equal to 1. Here x value is half. C times 1 minus half is half whole power minus 2. That is 4C is 1. C becomes 1 by 4. Here alpha beta are the roots of the equation. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha beta will be c by. Alpha minus beta whole square is minus 4ca b square minus 4ac by a square. For second equation, sum of the roots is, product of the roots will be we get r by p. Difference of the roots, that is alpha plus h minus beta plus h, get cancelled. Sum of the roots minus 4 times product of the roots, q square minus 4pr square. It is d1 by a square, d2 by p square. He given both are alpha minus beta whole square. d1 by a square is d2 by p square. d1 by d2 is a square by p square. For this equation, number of roots for x greater than 0 are equal to 0, 0, comma 7. For x less than 0, you have x into x plus 7, 0. So here roots are 0, minus 7, minus 7. Here discriminant 16 minus 20. So here it is negative, no real roots. Here x greater than 0, here you have 2 comma 3 are the roots. X square plus 5x plus 6. So here in case C you have 0 roots. In case of A you have 2 roots. In case of B you have 3 roots. In case of D you have 4 roots. So number of in ascending order. So CABD is correct. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is minus 2. We want an equation whose roots are alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma. So let us assume alpha plus gamma as x. So gamma is the root of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 8 0. 2 gamma square plus 3 gamma plus 8 0. Minus of 2 plus x whole cube. 2 plus x whole square plus. So here we want only product of the roots. So let us take okay 8 plus x cube plus 3x square into 2, 12x, 4 plus x square plus 4x. So minus x cube minus 6x square plus 2x square. Again 12x, 8x, 20 minus 3, minus 8 plus 8 plus 2. So here x cube plus minus 17. This is a transformed equation. For this, roots are alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, delta. Product of the roots will be gamma plus delta, which is minus of minus 2. So actually no need to this full simplification part. Once you are good enough, just to see the only find out the constants and do it. So here to eliminate the second term, I have to transform the equation. So here it is x plus h whole power 4, 8 into x plus h whole cube minus 5. Here it is, we have a formula, but sometimes he may ask remove third term like that. Removing the second term is nothing but eliminating x cube. Here you have 4c1 x cube h plus 8x cube. That means 4h plus 8, h will be minus 2. So we have to find transformed equation. So 1801 minus 5. Here take 0 minus 2 here 1, 6 minus 12, 24, you have a 25 minus 50, adding minus 55. So these second and fourth options are ruled out. So now only first and either first or third option. Let us see again. Minus 2, 0, 4, minus 8. Here you have 40. So 65. So first option is correct. So to have a complete equation, since 0, then we have minus 2. Here minus 4. So minus 24. This term. Again, doing same thing, you get that answer. Like minus 2, 0, 1. Minus 2, you have a 0. You get the required answer. Here it is for B transpose is there. What you do is apply transpose for second equation. You will have a 2B transpose minus 3A because A plus R minus B transpose is A transpose plus R minus B transpose. Here you will have a minus 118, 4 minus 6 minus 5 minus. What he is asking is B. So you eliminate A. Here you will have a 7, 0 minus 10, 6. Adding 6B transpose will be 6 minus 6, 12, 18, 0, 24. So B transpose will be 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 4. From here, B will be 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4. Second option. Plus I into, which is nothing but omega. Here it is 1, 1, 1, 1 omega, 1 omega square omega. Omega square minus 1 into plus 1 omega square minus omega. Omega cube is omega. Omega cube is 1, which is so we get here 3 omega square minus 3 omega. Omega square is minus 6 omega minus 1. So we'll have a 3i root 3 purely imaginary. Here you just put a trial and error. N is 1. You have first option coincides all three options are four options are same. Put n equal to 2. We have 9 minus 4 minus 12 plus 4. 9, 3 minus 1, 2. Here it is minus 4 plus 1. So what is suitable? We have First option is ruled out because here for n equal to 2 you get 6. So let us see second option. Here you get n equal to 4. So this is also not true. N equal to 2. 5 minus 2, 8. 2 minus 3. Right? Fourth option is satisfying. A number of 4-digit numbers divisible by 3 means. So for a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. The sum of all digits 14, 16, 18. So one possibility is 2, 4, 6, 8, including 4 factorial 24. Excluding 6, you have 0, 2, 4, 8, 12, 14. Excluding 6, 14, 18, 14, 18, 20. Oh, your sum will be 20, not divisible by 3. So then let us select the numbers so that sum is divisible by 3. Combinations 0, 2, 4, 6, 1 combination. Any other possibilities? Excluding the 6, the sum is 20, right? Excluding 2, sum is 20. Excluding the 2, 18 divisible, that is 0, 4, 6, 8. Excluding 4, you get 16, no use. Excluding 6, no use. Excluding 8, 12, yes, possibilities. 4 factorial, wife mean all possible 4-digit numbers minus digits, some 3-digit numbers which start with this. We will have 18. Here 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Here you have total. There are 36 4-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Divided into 2 equal regiments means, so in first regiment, 4 people. That is from 8 you can select any 4. From remaining 4 you select 4 by 2 factor. Actually, just regiments without naming. So suppose distributing 4 articles among AB means for first person we can give 4, for second person we can give remaining 4, but it is not distributed among AB, just a dividing. So we will write 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 1 by 2 factorial. Answer is, so for power of prime in n factorial is n by p plus n by p square so on. To calculate power of about to calculate number of zeros, it is enough to calculate power of 5 because for getting 0, 5 and 2 both are required. Number of 5s will be always smaller than number of 2s. Both are required means it is enough to calculate power of 5. 100 by 5, 100 by 5 cube. So denominator crosses, so it is 0. 20 plus 4, we get here 24. If y equal to x touches at a point P, so OP here is root C because length of tangent which is equal to 6 root 2, C will be 72. Here coefficient of x means in this, for example, if you consider taking two terms of the expression, now there are 100 terms, coefficient of x will be, we'll have 100. 100 into 101 by 2, I have 5056. It is 2 times 2 into 5 by factorial 2. 1 plus p by factorial 1, p into p plus q by factorial 2. P here is 2, x by q. P plus q is 5, q will be 3. Whole expansion, all positive means this. 1 minus 3 by 4 for p value 2, q value 3, 1 by 4 power minus 2, or 4 power 2 by 3, that is second option. Or you take up to 3 terms, here it is 0.5, here it is 10 by 5 by 16, 5 by 16 means roughly 0.3, 1 point. So this will come into the denominator like 1 by 16 power 1 by 3, it can't be 1.8. You take this cube root of 4, cubing, you will get 4. Cubing this will be more than 4. Right. Here it is 4 power half 2 cube 8. So it will be less than that. So second option is correct. You take I common, 1 by I sine pi by 8 by I into cos pi by 8 minus sine pi by 8 whole power 8. It is 6 pi by De Morgan's theorem, pi by 8 into 8 by minus 1 power 8. 6 minus pi by 8 into 8. 6 of pi plus pi. 6 to pi, which is 1. Third option is correct. So here through this you have this is a circle. Many circles are possible. Through 2 points, you have so the smallest circle possible is taking this as ends of the diameter. So then x minus 1 into x minus 0, y minus 0 into y minus 1, minus x minus y is 0. First option. Two dice means you have to assume one as a uh, different colored die. What I mean to say, unless you mention that identical dice, here getting even number and getting odd number 3 out of 6, here 3 out of 6. Or here on blue die, you may get 1, 3, 5. On red die, you may get 2, 4, 6. 3 by 6 into 3 by 6. Answer is half. Here P of A union B will be P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus P of A intersection B will be 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8. So you get 1 by 8.